Hello, welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to create wholesaler roles and assign them to your existing customers, a key step for managing your wholesale store. Let's get started. From your dashboard menu, navigate to Whols Wholesaler Roles. Here, you'll find a list of any wholesale roles you've already created. To create a new role, fill in the fields under Add New Role. Enter a clear role name such as Retailer or Platinum Distributor. You can also add an optional description to explain the role's purpose. Below, you'll see additional settings to further customize the role, such as disabling coupons, restricting payment methods, allowing free shipping, or excluding tax. Once you've configured these options, click Add New Role. Your wholesaler role is now active. Now let's assign this newly created role to an existing customer. Go to Users, All Users, and click the user you want to update. Scroll down to the Roles section and select the wholesaler role from the dropdown. Finally, click Update User. When a customer registers through your wholesaler registration page, the wholesaler role will be automatically assigned. You don't need to manually assign roles for these users, saving you time and effort. That's it! You've successfully created wholesaler roles and assigned them to your existing customers using the Whols plugin. These roles allow you to efficiently manage prices, discounts, visibility, and much more. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.